Hey, we're here with another product from Sloan Express. It's the Bean Saver Kit for your 200, 900, and 600 series non-draper platforms. Basically, we're just going to go through the kit, kind of do an unveiling. So here we go. So we have the kit right here in front of us. This is how it'll show up at your doorstep. We're going to pull each part out one by one or just lay them out on the counter, and we'll go through them pretty quick for you. Trying to open this box up. So we're going to go through all the pieces that are in this kit. As you can see, you got the brush. Then there's two little pieces of stainless strip metal that you use to fasten the brush to the bracket. The bracket that holds that brush and mounts onto the head of the combine. Your magnets. Then you got some other little miscellaneous hardware that's just bagged in there loosely. And then they've also got some other hardware that's bagged in as well for other parts of the assembly, along with your instruction manual. So now let's head out to the lot and let's install one on a platform. So we're out here on the lot with one of the flex heads, and just want to show you a little bit of the install, but also wanted to kind of show you the reason why they came out with this kit. And the kit's primarily just to help you with any kind of yield loss at the head, whether it be at the feeder house or if you wanted to actually put it anywhere across the platform itself. So we'll go through the installation process here real quick and give you a brief overview of how that works. For installation purposes, you can actually mount this brush kit anywhere on the head, whether it be in the center over the feeder house, or you can place this kit along the platform itself to cover over the top of the augers. We're going to mount it over the center of the feeder house. So the first things we want to do is find center on the platform, and then we'll get our center mark on the brush kit itself. So now we've got our center mark on the platform and on the brush kit. So now we're going to go ahead and get it placed on the head itself. So once you have the brush kit in place, the next thing is to install the little bracket that actually holds it on the back side, just like we have here. Then there's just two bolts that hold it in place. Just make sure it's snug and you're good to go. We'll do the same thing over here as well. So now we have the kit installed. Pretty simple. If you want to purchase this product, you can go on sloanex.com or call us at 800-934-9777.